Bitcoin against US dollar has jumped around the price level. We can see it here around the start of this supply zone 377.91.99, and the price reverses back down very close to this start of this supply of this demand zone. But the price has bounced, did not go on the lower side, only with this week around 35570, but it has returned back up. And what we can see that yesterday the price has formed a bullish breakout, at least from this indecision area where the price currently is, and it has reached 38533.67, which means the price is pushing even higher and the bulls are much stronger than the sellers. Now if we go to the weekly time frame, we can see that this week it still has 2 more days, and the previous week did not make a breakout to the upside. Just a minute, let's go like this. We can see that this was indecision candle, but this week, where we have 2 more days, today and tomorrow, the price needs to make a breakout to the upside. It is a small breakout, bullish breakout, but it is a breakout outside of this uptrend channel, which means the even more bullish strength is on the market. On the monthly time frame, we can see that this month is also a bullish one. It's continuing to moving to the upside and it is at the very critical level on the monthly time frame. We can see that 38533, a supply zone and also a resistance, that is very important level on the monthly time frame. So very important for the price in order to close above, and it will be very important how this month ends for the next week. If the price goes above and closes this month above 38533, it will be a very good signal as a bullish breakout. But this breakout needs to be confirmed in the next month, and that could be potential where the price could go up to 41,000 and then making a retrace back down, confirming the previous resistance, then acting as a support. But before that happens, we need to see what happens on the weekly and also daily time frame, which have much more clear information about the support and resistance levels between these until the price reaches 41,000. For now, the price is on the bullish mode, and in order to continue down to the bearish momentum, the price needs to close below 34535, which is a very important level on the monthly time frame. For me, this doesn't look very likely because of this bullish strength, but let's see on the weekly time frame how this looks. Very important level is 34524 price level, which is the next support on the weekly time frame. We can see it here, very important one that the price could not break below after making this bullish breakout. And we can see that the bullish breakout here on the weekly time frame has been confirmed with the previous week, where the price did not close below back inside. So the price is heading on the higher price levels, and we can see what is happening on the market. The next one where the price could reach on the weekly time frame and needs to make a breakout about 38533 is the next one here, where we can see 40,302. This is the next level where the price could reach, but first on the weekly time frame I need to see the price closing above 3900 price level, $39,000. If the price closes above on the weekly time frame, the next one where the price is heading is this one here, which is 40,190. Below that, the price needs to go below, just a minute, this is the price level, 378,180 is the very critical level on the weekly time frame. If the price goes below that, this will mean this is a very important level for the price and it will have hard time reaching above. And also if it closes below this one here, it means that the price will try to fall down even more, reaching around 35338 price level. But for that, we need to see on the daily time frame, which is a very important one. So we have a bullish breakout with a yesterday candle, and today candle will probably reach higher price levels as it looks right now. Let's go a little bit like this, just a minute, and like this. And we can see this is very important level 38533, and also on the daily time frame, but this is much more important level here where the price currently is. So I'm expecting the price will go above and we'll see what happens, but for now the price needs to stay above in order to continue to be on the bullish side. If it goes below this one, which is here, if it goes below 36500, this will mean that the price will continue to fall down and reaching around this one, 35538 price level. This is also a level visible on the weekly time frame. So for now, it's very important for the price to make a breakout to the upside. We have seen on the weekly time frame, very important level is this one here, 38523, in order to continue to move up. So I'm expecting the price will go above, reaching this area and trying to make a bullish breakout for the next level. If we go in the past, 38533, just a minute, 38533, 38533 is this one here. We can see here also when the price was falling down, when price trying to reach higher price levels, the price could not make a breakout. But when the price made a breakout, the price continued to move up and reaching the area around this one here, 40,600, and then also reaching 41,000 I have just mentioned on the monthly, also weekly time frame. So this is the price level where the price will try to reach in the next attempt on the bullish side. So I'm expecting that the price will continue to reach higher price levels in the next following week. If you would like also to check what is the entry, stop loss, take profit idea, I'm also sharing that inside the trading community. You can also check it, but also you have inside the description a free PDF I'm sharing with you with all the steps that the traders need, and also how I am making this supply demand zone strategy analysis. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.